Here you will see what these apparatus are made up of and what is the use of each one of them. Right? First one is test tube. Test tube is made up of Pyrex glass, which is hard glass which can withstand or tolerate high heat. It is used to hold and test a small amount of chemicals. Why it is made up of Pyrex glass? Because it is used for heating purposes, so we need a material that can tolerate high heat. Next we have test tube stand. It is also known as test tube rack. It is made of wood or plastic and used to keep test tubes in organized manner, as you can see in this picture. Next we have test tube holder. As the name itself suggests, it is used to hold test tubes. While we heat the test tubes, we need a test tube holder. It is a metallic rod with a clamp to hold the test tube at one end and handle at other end. It is also known as test tube tongue. Next we have beaker. It is made up of glass. It is used for rough measuring and pouring of liquids. Also used for stirring, mixing and heating substances. Next we have flask. Again, flask is also made up of glass. We have three types. One is round bottom, as you can see in the picture. Flat bottom, it is round but the bottom is flat, and conical shape. Now flasks are used for holding, mixing and heating different liquids. They are also used for mixing and stirring liquids. Next we have measuring cylinder. As the name itself suggests, it is used to measure what? Measure the volume of liquids. It is also known as graduated cylinder. As you can see here, numbers are mentioned at particular or equal interval. Right? So we can pour the liquid into it and note the reading. It is also made up of glass and it is cylindrical in shape. Next we have funnel. Funnel are Funnel is made up of glass or plastic, right? And is used when pouring liquid in a small container, or we can say used for pouring liquid into vessel with a narrow mouth, and it is also used for filtration purpose. Next we have evaporating dish. It is made up of porcelain. Porcelain is a white substance that can also withstand high heat. Now it is used to evaporate a solution. Next we have mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle is also made up of porcelain and used for grinding chemicals. This you must have seen at homes also. This type of rates can be used to grind spices. Tripod stand. Now tri means three. So a stand which is having three legs, and it is made up of iron and used to support and maintain the stability of other apparatus. Next we have wire gauze. You can see the picture. It is made up of iron wire. You can see the network of wires over here, and at the center we are having asbestos sheet. Asbestos is a gray white material that does not burn. This wire gauze can be kept on tripod stand, right? You can see the tripod stand here. This wire gauze can be placed at tripod stand and used for even distribution of flame heat. Next we have two sources of heat. First one is a spirit lamp. It is made of glass, steel or brass. and it is containing a wick, right? Spirit and alcohol is used as fuel inside it. You can see fuel inside the container. What is fuel? Fuels are the substance that burn to produce energy, heat energy. It is used for heating purpose. Second, we have Bunsen burner. It is a burner that uses gas as a fuel. In previous one, we were using spirit, and in this, we are using gas as a fuel. It produces a single open gas flame, and again, it is used for heating purpose.